Right here, team, you can see S&P 500, S&P 500 across the board, 389. We're still building higher lows in my eyes. In my eyes, I still see these higher lows. In my eyes, I still see that we got some top resistance. I would have to be waiting for a trend line crack. I would have to be waiting for some sort of trend line crack of the VWAP to actually feel confident on this trade. You guys feel me on this one? You guys feel me on the fact that, we have this uptrend? We can all see that. You guys can see that, hey, you know what? This entire play, we are above 387. We are still bullish on that uptrend. We are above the VWAP. It's hard for me to tell you guys, hey, go ahead and do a put contract right now. I would say put contract back underneath, again, the trend line, back underneath the VWAP. And then if you want to wait for the most confidence, wait for the crack of 387. But if you're just saying, hey, Deck, I'll just wait for 387. I don't want to do anything above 387. That's, again, absolutely fine as well. So S&P 500 still watching these plays here. S&P still trying to move. TGL trying to get a little bit of that hype. Kush sent you again a new email. Check that on out. S&P 500. This is my levels, as we know. We are underneath or trying to break underneath the VWAP here. I'm actually going to have a order typed on out on my side here on SPX. SPX going to be a smaller trade for myself as of now. Put contract expiration. I will if it cracks. I will just do today, an expiration of today. I was going to say, maybe do it tomorrow, but, to me, look at this, guys. We're cracking the VWAP. We're cracking the trend line. We have room to fall that I'm thinking. Taking a look over on, let me just bring up a chart real quick, over on SPX. And my E-Trade right now is starting to freeze here a little bit.
I'm in these guys.
SPX starting to fall, so everything is starting to get a little bit weaker. January 10th, what's the strike price? 3891 right now.
Oh, here we go.
Now starting to get a little drop. Ask, buy. Can I get filled on this?
Oh, wow.
Get me filled, damn it. All right, here we go, guys. Just got in on my trade. Only, again, 2 contracts, but I'm in on SPX as we just cracked that trend line.
About to break 117 here.
So I'm in on SPX.
We're so close.
Looking for this one to drop as well.
Oh my God. Oh, I trimmed some right there.
Tesla's starting to get weaker. So again, Kush is over on Tesla. I'm over on, again, SPX, which, again, I have to watch SPY to be able to trade. So, guys, SPY starting to fall, and that's all from, again, the crack of the trend line over on this play. Kush is over on Tesla at this time.
Up about 9%. I'm still in.
Yeah, Tesla starting to get the drop. We have to see, just a little heads on up, team, to be able to make that big time money, to be able to get that big time cash, we have to see the crack of 387. All right, we take a look at this 30-minute time frame here. 30-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead, take a look. 30-minute time frame. We're trying to get back inside that channel. Right? That channel right here, 387-ish, and then drop all the way on down. That channel we've been talking about. Currently, we're up $317 at this moment. So we are up some good cash right here. We want to see if the S&P 500 keep falling apart. Guys, we're $567. This is off of a very small investment. $527, guys. I'm just going to take my profits right here of $500. Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, mwah, mwah, kisses for everybody. Bonjour, c'est bon. We put out together the perfect recipe for success here. Oh, Kush, digital high five, buddy. Love you. Great job so far. Here you go. Oh, guys,
I'm still in this. I got stop and break even. I'm up 6.3% right now. I trim most at 11%.
Nice job so far. I just wanted to take my profits right there. Again, reason why I took my profits pretty quickly, just a little heads on up, is just because I do have a today's expiration. And I mean, it's only 10:30 in the morning, but I really just don't want to get eaten up by theta. If for anyone that's curious right now, why did you make the trade that you just did? Team, look at this picture right above us. The S&P 500, this is clear, simple trendline trading. I feel like I've been bringing up trendline trading a lot. Does SPHS, if we stare at this, look a lot like the SPY? Let's get rid of some of this, garbage that we don't need. Let's turn off the indicators right here. Okay, this right here, does that look like that right here?
Let's go.
Does that right here look like that right here? Ladies and gentlemen, it's the same exact setup. When you crack your trend line, stop losses are hit. When you crack your trend line, people get scared. When you crack your trend line, put contracts get more enticing. So the S&P 500 cracked that trend line. I jumped in on the play. Now we're starting to get weaker. And the thing is, if we crack 387, we're going to fall even lower, start dropping all the way on down.
I just got out of Tesla, guys. I'm all out.
All out of
Let's
Tesla.
go. That was 17%.
Now
I'm
again,
green
you
for
guys
the
can
day.
see.
From minus 32K to green 3K. I'll take that. That's insane.